Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about should have, could have and would have. Now you must have heard people using them in sentences and to some extent you understand what are they saying. But when it comes to you, when it's your turn to use them in sentences, your mind goes blank. It's pretty confusing how to use them and when to use. It's really confusing. Don't worry guys, here I am to help you out and I'm gonna keep it simple as much as I can. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now let's start with should have, but before talking about should have, we're gonna start with should. Now should is used to give advice. For example, तुम्हें यहाँ आना चाहिए. You should come here. तुम्हें उसका ध्यान रखना चाहिए. You should take care of her. तुम्हें जल्दी सो जाना चाहिए. You should go to bed early. Now moving back to should have. Now should have is used to give advice for past events, or you can say something did not happen but you wish it had happened. Or you can say जब भी हिंदी के sentence में last में चाहिए था आता है, then we can use should have. तुम्हें ये काम करना चाहिए था. You should have done this work. तुम्हें यहाँ आना चाहिए था. You should have come here. तुम्हें उसका ध्यान रखना चाहिए था. You should have taken care of her. So in this way you can make sentences. But remember one thing, you have to use past participle, or you can say third form of verb with should have, could have and would have. So the sentence formation will be like subject plus should have plus past participle of a verb, or you can say third form of a verb plus rest of the sentence.
You should have died in here.
Now moving to next one, could have. Now could is the past form of can. Now we use could have in a sentence when something was possible in the past but it did not happen. And when you had ability to do something but you did not do it. Or you can say when you were capable of doing something but you did not do it. And you can identify these sentences in Hindi जब भी sentence के last में सकता था आता है. जैसे तुम यहाँ आ सकती थी. You could have come here. तुम मुझे बता सकती थी. You could have told me. तुम उसका ध्यान रख सकती थी. You could have taken care of her. So in this way, you can form the sentences. But remember one thing, the sentence formation will be like subject plus could have plus past participle of a verb plus rest of the sentence.
I could have got more out.
Now the next is would have. We use would have in a sentence when we talk about an imaginary past or a hypothetical situation. Okay, let's make it simple. जब भी किसी हिंदी के सेंटेंस में लास्ट में चुका होता या लिया होता आता है तब हम would have यूज कर सकते हैं. For example, मैं तुम्हें इस बारे में बता चुकी होती. I would have told you about it. मैं जल्दी सो चुकी होती. I would have gone to bed early. मैं यहाँ आ चुकी होती. I would have come here. And yeah, don't forget the sentence formation. Subject plus would have plus past participle of a verb plus rest of the sentence.
I would have gone with you to the end.
Okay, time to wind up. Guys, I tried my level best to keep it simple as much as I can. And always remember that you're supposed to use a third form of verb with should have, could have and would have. And yeah, always remember 2 keywords. Be confident and keep practicing. I'll see you in next video. Bye.